In this tutorial, I'll show you how to rotate an image for use in Notion. Since Notion doesn't currently include a built-in image rotation feature, you'll need to rotate the image before uploading it. Locate the image on your computer and open it with your preferred photo editor, such as the Windows Photos app or Preview on Mac. Use the rotate option to turn the image until it's facing the correct direction. When you're finished, save the image. You can overwrite the original file or save a new copy if you want to keep both versions. Next, open your Notion page and upload the rotated image by dragging it into the page or typing image and selecting upload an image. Choose the rotated file and it will appear in the correct orientation. If you've already uploaded the image to Notion, delete the original image block and upload the newly rotated version instead. If the image still appears sideways, make sure the rotated version was saved correctly before uploading it again. You can also try rotating it with a different image editor if needed. That's how to rotate an image in Notion. Thanks for watching.